In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PDF link from Google Drive, step by step. Open your browser and head to Google Drive. If you're already on a Google page, you can use the Google Apps Launcher, the little grid icon, to quickly open Drive. Once you're in, you'll start on the home view, which shows recent files. For this process, move into My Drive so you can work with your own folders and documents. To keep things organized, create a new folder for the PDF you plan to share. Click New Folder, give it a clear name so you know what's inside, and confirm to create it. This makes it easy to manage access later, especially if you'll add more related documents in the future. Next, select that folder and open the More Actions menu, the three dots icon. Choose Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can access your content. By default, Google Drive sets access to restricted, meaning only people you explicitly add can open the link. For a shareable link you can post or send anywhere, change that setting, click the drop down that says restricted and switch it to anyone with the link. Once you've done that, look at the permission level on the right. Click the drop down that currently shows viewer. For most situations, viewer is exactly what you want for a PDF. People can open and read it, but they can't edit the file or change your folder. If you ever need to collaborate, you could choose commenter or editor, but keep in mind those roles grant more access. For a public-facing PDF, viewer is the safest, most predictable option. Confirm your choice, then click Done to apply the settings. From now on, anyone who receives the link to that folder will be able to view the PDF you place there. You'll see a link in the share window when you open it again. This is the URL. You can send in emails, chats, or embed on a website. If you prefer not to